I'd wear these, but there's no sun. So. I look oily. But it's just because I'm well moisturized and it's humid here. Also, my bangs are too long, so don't pay attention to this. My teeth are white.
Turn left onto US 27 South.
I'm very tired, and I didn't eat breakfast, so let's hope I don't get hungry or hangry. I'm already hungry, but
yeah, and they were watching from inside the house, and nobody was outside.
So the first one is speedboat tours. I'm not sure what that is, and then we're going to Gatorland, and then we're going to an amusement park. So dig within and find that energy, because we gonna catch some gators today.
Not necessarily.
I'll fight alligator.
Okay, good. We are here at the speedboat tour place.
Look at alligator.
Where?
Where?
We're here.
You like shoes?
I love my shoes. $10 at Walmart. Okay, let us go. Okay, we are here. What time is ours? Hi.
Come look at the gators.
Okay, look at the gators. Is there gators over there? Oh my goodness. Woo. Wow, look at them. Well, I'd say sunbathing, but the sun's not out, so.
Punk gators.
Yeah.
Little punk. You know I could mess you up, right?
Hey, it says please be kind to the gators.
It doesn't say that.
It
Oh,
says
yeah.
it right there. Oh, the gate.
What do you say when someone's like knocking on the bathroom door and you're in there?
Here.
Occupied.
I'm in here. Get out.
He did knock like 3 times and I was like, he knocked and then I was like, what do I say? What do I say? And then he like knocked again. I'm like, I'm just gonna open the door and walk out.
You're the type, I feel like you are the type to want a tail. He just said, does this make me look like I have a tail? Please.
You feel like I'm the type that would want a tail.
Yes, I feel like you're that type. Also, can we just peep my boyfriend really quickly? Not this, but this. I love that.
Got some baloney nips.
Baloney.
More deer than the crocodile. And then if you have to crop it, then it's not as bad.
Come on, you always find.
Welcome.
Oh, really?
I will be your Native American, your resident Native American for this tour.
Really? And why do you think it's you and not me?
Because I'm 8%. How much percent are you?
0%. I want to shoot the archery. I'm actually really good at archery. You don't know this about me, but I went to a girls' camp over the summer, and I was the best one there. So.
We got some brisket from this place right on the dock where the tour was. Look out here. Stupid bird.
Hey, speedboat. Oh no, I keep saying speedboat. Airboat.
Over.
Over.
You might be able to tumble it.
Ran into some problems because I was sitting in the very, very front, and I have very, very long hair in case you didn't know. And it blew into the lady behind me, and she smacked me on the shoulder and was going like this to get my hair out of her face. So.
Wait, got it.
Yeah. Overall good though.
Now we going?
Now we're going to Gatorland.
I found Rose. Christian. It's the.
Okay. We are here. Gator World. Gator
World.
Get them gators. Get them Gator World.
Yeah, get them gators.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Okay,
face.
have your.
Woo!
Yeah. Do you guys want a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take it.
Yeah.
No, I got it.
I'll take it here.
Ready?
You're gonna send it to me like
1,
right away?
2, 3. Cute. Cute. Yeah.
I'm excited.
Is Mason excited? Are you excited, Mason?
I'm so excited.
Okay.
so excited.
Maybe say it towards the camera.
I'm so excited.
Okay, good.
That's a lot of crocodiles. Or alligators. What do you think about all of them?
Scary.
Look, there's floating. What are you guys doing?
Feeding the
Just
fish.
a look for you, no worries. Alright, and then back up here.
They're eating it. He's eating it.
Tiny nuts or anything like that.
He's right there.
Thank you.
He's eating it.
Good morning. Be $10 even. On the card, it'll be ready here in
Oh,
just a
they're
moment.
eating it. They're eating it. Oh. Yeah. No. The baby. No, but they can eat the whole thing. Touch it. No. Mason. You guys need to get stickers like that. Look, Mason. There's a swamp walk.
Ooh, moist.
Oh. Look at Mason. Caveman.
No, swamp man.
Mom, say hi.
What's up? What's up, Dad?
You know that people used to live in the swamps?
Oh, he's trying to give you a kiss.
My nose is not. No.
Hi. I'm dying of heat exhaustion. But we're here. So we're trying to figure out why it's making this noise. Oh,
There it was.
yeah, that kind of noise. I'm still looking, but they make a noise that no humans can hear, but it's a really low frequency, and that's how they attract their females. So they can
But that's not
find
too.
their love.
We can hear that, so I don't.
Yeah,
know
we can hear that. That's not this, but I know that they make noises for that, and maybe he's hungry. Or maybe he's hot too.
So the bellow is like they're declaring territory.
Yeah. So maybe it's weird how it just keeps doing it every once in a while. But yeah, it says that it could declare or just to locate a suitable mate. Maybe just send out a signal like, "Hey, I'm an eligible
Hey,
bachelor."
shawty, come here.
Yeah, basically that's what they're saying.
We're in the swamp and it's so hot and humid. I'm literally like, I have like water just forming on my skin everywhere.
It kind of feels good. It feels like you're in a sauna. Is that why I walk?
Yeah.
Really? Wow, look at that. Look at the dump truck.
I want to be one of those swamp people that like live in here, and I just like eat fish and turtles and stuff.
Oh boy.
And I like they build their house up here.
Oh yeah, inside of the little canopy things.
Yeah, like above the
Yeah.
ground.
Just trying to get the most bang for my buck.
Most bang for your 25 cents.
Yeah. Okay, these big old birds are called emus. They're Australian. Oh, it's coming. How does it say to feed them? Okay.
Did that hurt?
No, okay. It doesn't touch your hand at all. It doesn't touch your hand at all. It won't touch your hand at all.
Please.
It's gonna take my
Savai'i.
rings off.
Look how it's looking.
Okay. Let me go next. Okay.
I'm
Here.
nervous.
Here. Oh my gosh. I don't like. I think it's gonna. Hey,
Big birdie.
you dropped some?
Don't ever say.
Please. Did it hurt now?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't hurt.
It's so cute. Wait, can I have a
You're
look?
welcome. I'm scared. Here, I'll go next. You're like very close.
No, put it down so he can, his neck, his poor neck. Poor neck.
This might be an emu for me.
Yeah.
Maybe an emu might be. Okay, wait.
Do you want to feed it?
No.
No? I want to
Look at
pet
its
it.
ears.
It's holes. It's just holes in its head.
What are we going to?
We are going to the big alligator enclosure to feed the big ones.
Yes.
Are you
We want to
excited?
feed alligators. We get to go in them, right? Not in the alligators, in the enclosure.
Oh yeah, I think we get to go in and feed them, but we have to get some water because I'm literally dying.
You're trying to hit him on the sides of the face. You get it. Got him with your palm teeth tonight. I got it. I give you $100. It said Jeffrey.
Oh,
Right in there,
perfect.
like, Yo, Jeffrey.
Way to go, Mason.
That's a good one.
Sorry, I didn't need to do it on the top of your head.
They make horrible souvenirs. No, that's
Oh. Yeah, fight over it.
Throw him, sweetie, throw him. Guys, throw him. It's not a holding, it's a feeding.
Like, throw it like you mean it.
He was being kind of mean to me. He yelled at me. Made me sad.
Yelled at you.
The man.
Let's go get him. You should have told me.
He did not yell. That's just how he talks.
Did.
That was just how he was talking.
That's how
He
he
was
talks,
being a
just like me.
smart ass. I don't like
He was being a smartass, but he wasn't yelling.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I just wanted a video.
Okay, sister.
Yeah.
So they got mad at me because when we took the picture, I was turned around. But I was not. I was.
We were trying to take a cute picture, and he didn't want to face his back towards the gator.
I was not gonna turn my back on a predator.
Oh my gosh. We just ate at the Crab Shack. And now we're about to go get ice cream.
From where? From where?
Haagen-Dazs.
I just don't know. She's not like, she's kind of like mediocre. Though. I thought she was kind of
Which is the best ice cream
kinda like-
ever.
She's kind of like.
And it's like their
medium.
actual shop. It's not like what we normally get from like Walmart
like
or
me.
whatever local ice
It's a
cream
legit
shop.
Haagen-Dazs
It's like
shop.
a whole Haagen-Dazs ice cream shop.
But it's raining and windy right now.
So that's a little tough. But it's okay. It's the first day of rain, so I'm not really that mad about it. This is exciting.